For more than 200 years, the American flag has been the symbol of our nation's unity, as well as a source of pride and inspiration for millions of Americans. Born on June 14, 1777, the Second Continental Congress determined that the flag of the United States be 13 stripes, alternating between 7 red and 6 white, and that the Union be 13 stars, white in a blue field representing a new constellation. Between 1777 and 1960, the shape and design of the flag evolved into the flag presented before you today. The 13 horizontal stripes represent the original 13 colonies, while the stars represent the 15 states of the Union. The colors of the flag are symbolic as well. Red symbolizes hardiness and valor, white signifies purity and innocence, and blue represents vigilance, perseverance, and justice. As the color guard folds the flag, we will present the historical significance of our flag and explain why it holds a special place in the hearts of our servicemen and women. During the first fold, we remember a country inspired. The American flag has carried the message of freedom and inspired Americans both at home and abroad. During the second fold, we remember a country of hope. In 1814, Francis Scott Key was so moved at seeing the Stars and Stripes waving after the British shelling of Baltimore's Fort McHenry that he wrote the words to the Star-Spangled Banner. During the third fold, we remember a country of loyalty. In 1892, the flag inspired Francis Bellamy to write the Pledge of Allegiance, our most famous flag salute and patriotic oath. During the fourth fold, we remember a country inspired. In July 1969, the American flag was flown in space when Neil Armstrong planted it on the surface of the moon. During the fifth fold, we remember a country of change. Our flag flies on constellations of Air Force satellites that circle our globe, and on the thin flash of our aircraft in harm's way in every corner of the world. During the sixth fold, we remember a country of service. It flies in the heart of every soldier, sailor, marine, and airman who serves our great nation. The sun never sets on our U.S. forces, nor on the flag we so proudly cherish. During the seventh fold, we remember a country of sacrifice, that since 1776, no generation of Americans has been spared the responsibility of defending freedom. Today's service members remain committed to preserving the freedom that others won for us for generations to come. During the eighth fold, we remember a country of honor. By displaying the flag and giving it a distinctive fold, we show respect to the flag and express our gratitude to those individuals who fought and continue to fight for freedom at home and abroad. During the ninth fold, we remember a country as world leader. Since the dawn of the 20th century, airmen have proudly flown the flag in every major conflict on land and skies around the world. During the 10th fold, we remember a country of responsibility. It is their responsibility, our responsibility, to continue to protect and preserve the rights, privileges, and freedoms that we as Americans enjoy today. During the 11th fold, we remember a country's legacy. The United States flag represents who we are. It stands for the freedom we all share and the pride and patriotism we feel for our country. We cherish its legacy as a beacon of hope to one and all. During the 12th fold, we remember and we say, long may it wave. When the flag is completely folded, the stars are uppermost, reminding us of our national motto, "In God We Trust." After the flag is completely folded and tucked in, it takes on the appearance of a cocked hat, ever reminding us of the soldiers who served under General George Washington and the sailors and Marines who served under Captain John Paul Jones. They are followed by their comrades and shipmates in the armed forces of the United States, preserving for us the rights, privileges, and freedoms we enjoy today.